How to increase your Snapchat score. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can increase your Snapchat score. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Before we try to get on to increase our Snapchat score, you have to understand what Snap score means in the first place. So for that, I'll just go ahead and then open up the Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat app, tap on the profile icon on the very top left. So Snap score, you can see this number right over here. This is basically my Snap score. So if I tap on it, it'll show you what Snap score means. It gives you the number of your Snap score, and it also says your Snap score increases with each snap you send and receive. And you can see the number of snaps sent versus number of snaps received. They're all going to be added back into your Snap score. The best way to increase Snap score is that when you send a snap, try to send it to as many people as possible. Or else what you can also do is you can go to the quick add feature and then you can add multiple people as your friends even if you don't really know them. So if I just click close over here and if I go to the add friends button, once I go to add friends, you can see the number of friend requests you have received, and you can also see this quick add feature, which means that you just want to go ahead and then tap on the add button right next to every people you see on this list. When you click on add, when you add them back into your account and when they add you back as well, and when you send and receive and exchange snaps with each other, they're basically going to be added into your Snapchat score. So for the context, let's say I have already added all these people, and what I will do is I'll just go ahead and then click a random snap. Once I select my random snap, all I have to do is tap on the next button which you see at the bottom right corner, and as I do that, over here you want to select as many people as possible. There really isn't an option to go ahead and then select all of the people at once, but what I'll just recommend you do is to simply send it to as many people as possible over here. Once you've selected all of the people from this list, all you have to do is tap on the little send button at the bottom right corner in order to go ahead and send them these snaps, and all of these snaps sent to each individual is going to be added and counted as your Snap score. This is a simple way on how you can go ahead and legally and very easily increase your Snapchat score without any third-party apps, plugins or services. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.